This young girl lost total use of her arm, all because a doctor applied excessive force and traction to her head and her neck during the time of her delivery. You want to know what this is about? Come join me for a moment as I share with you this remarkable story. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The baby had what's known as a shoulder dystocia, which means that the shoulders got stuck as the baby was being delivered. And the doctor, in his attempt to try and get the baby out quickly, now is pulling and placing traction onto the baby's head. During the course of this delivery, the excessive traction and pulling caused injury to a set of nerves that controls the entire arm. That's known as the brachial plexus. And when you damage those nerves, it's possible that you will damage the innervation to the entire arm. And that's exactly what happened in this particular case. This child was left with a condition known as Erbs Palsy. Why? Because the doctor traumatized and damaged, severely damaged, the nerves that control the entire arm here. How did that happen? It happened because the baby's shoulders were too wide for the mother's pelvis. And now when the doctor recognized that the baby is not descending, not coming out properly, he now, instead of taking the proper time to figure out exactly how to maneuver the baby, the doctor's obstetricians learn at least 5 different maneuvers to try and get the baby out without traumatizing the head, the neck, or any associated nerves, without ever doing any of that. But during the course of this particular delivery, this doctor applied excessive traction to the neck, causing permanent injury that resulted in the total loss of use of this child's arm. So why do I share this story with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense of one case where I was able to help a family obtain compensation for the injuries that their child suffered as a result of a doctor's violation from the basic standards of medical and obstetrical care. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.